So Harry, first games of the campaign for you. Obviously the boys have started very well. How much are you looking forward to getting back in amongst it and being involved with it all?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I think the lads have started off the campaign really well. I think going away to Portugal and Switzerland in the first two games was always going to be tough, but to come away from them 2 games with 3 points and a plus goal difference was a credit to the lads and how well they played. And then to, I think, a convincing win against Liechtenstein last time around has put us in a good stead for these 2 games coming up now.
And obviously you're back at Bangor, it's somewhere you like playing personally, and the team's had a lot of success there as well. I mean, what is it about playing there that you enjoy and brings about so much success, really?
Yeah, I've played there a few times now for Wales and once for Liverpool as well, and I seem to always be in the goals when I play there. So I'm hoping that'll continue this time round, and I think the surface and the pitches are always great at Bangor, and then hopefully, like you said, there'll be a big crowd there getting behind the boys on Friday and Tuesday, and hopefully we can give them something to shout about.
Earlier in the year you were obviously back in the senior squad as well. I mean, what can you take from that experience, and how much does that benefit you? Obviously it's a massive positive for you to be in amongst that group.
Yeah, it's always fantastic to be involved in the senior squad, and then to go away for the training camp in Portugal and then be involved for the qualifier out in Serbia was fantastic for me, and I think we had a great point out there. I think the team played well and maybe deserved a bit more from that game. So to be involved in such a quality team and in the surroundings of that, it's always great on a personal note. What's
it been like for you at club level, and how's that helped you coming into this, get you a real head of steam really in scoring all the goals you've scored?
Yeah, I had a bit of a frustrating start to the season, missing pre-season with an Achilles injury, which set me back a bit, and I was disappointed not to have a good pre-season. But since I've been back playing for the 23s, I've been in the goals, and I feel I'm playing well. So I'm hoping if I keep doing that, my chance will come at first team level at the club. And then whenever I play for Wales, I always do my best, and it's proud to put the shirt on.
And it's a new manager for this campaign, obviously, from the last campaign. How you found it playing under Rob Page?
Yeah, Rob Page, the manager, came away with the seniors in the summer, so I got to know him quite well in the few days he was there. But obviously I'm yet to play under him, so in the couple of training sessions I've had, I think he's been great. He encourages the lads, and I think we can all flourish underneath him.
And just finally, 2 games, obviously, at Bangor, home games against these 2 teams. Do you know much about them, or will you just be concentrating on doing your own thing as a team?
Personally, I don't know much about them, but we've already had a couple of meetings on them and the dangers they bring, and also the ways we can exploit them. So we'll do our homework on them, and when the games come, we'll make sure we're prepared right for it.